Good morning everyone. My name is Dishant and we are from SVM. So today we are presenting our project based on our ATL calendar theme, build and compact PC using Raspberry Pi. So now, what is Raspberry Pi? So first we will understand what is Raspberry Pi. Raspberry Pi is a single board computer which can also perform normal tasks like which we perform on our PCs/laptop. So the component which we have used in this project are keyboard, mouse, Raspberry Pi, LCD display, HDMI to VGA slash and protective case for our CPU slash Raspberry Pi. So now Naman will explain us how it works.
My name is Naman. Now I will explain how it's work. The Raspberry Pi acts as the brain of the computer. The operating system is installed in the micro SD card, which work like as the hard drive. When we connect the power, it starts and shows the display interface. The advantages of this project is it is cheaper, it consumes very little power, it is much useful for students to learn coding or programming practice. Now I will tell you what is application. The portable computer is used for students to learn programming practice, education or coding. Now Dishant will tell how it's work.
So now first we will open the terminal of this PC. Here you can see it can open terminal and do some basic tasks like web browsing. Now we will open Firefox. So, so here we can use this as to do some coding. And as in normal Windows we have recycle bin, in Raspberry Pi OS we have a waste basket for a recycle bin. We also have some different connectivity options like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and in Raspberry Pi OS we also have some options like Mozilla Firefox slash Chromium web browser, and we also have some accessories which we also have in our normal Windows like Task Manager. Here you can see how our CPU and its internal system is working at how much power. For playing videos, we also have VLC media player. Here you can see it. Thank you.
In conclusion, our project shows that with the help of Raspberry Pi, we can build efficient and affordable PC for education purpose or for students to learn properly. Thank you.